Transform your look with 2025's most coveted hairstyles. This year, creativity and confidence are in. Trends celebrate individuality and push boundaries. From bold chops to playful textures, this guide spotlights the styles dominating runways and social feeds. Let's dive in and find the look that'll have everyone asking, "Who's your stylist?" Let's talk about the big chop. It's a phrase that can send shivers down your spine or spark a thrill of excitement, depending on where you are in your hair journey. The big chop signifies a significant change, a shedding of the old and an embracing of the new. It's a statement, a transformation, and sometimes just what you need to feel like yourself again. Or, if the idea of a drastic change feels a bit too daunting, how about a medium one? A medium chop offers a fantastic compromise, allowing you to experiment with shorter styles without fully committing to a dramatic transformation. It's a great way to test the waters, see how you feel with less length, and gradually adjust to a new look. It's perfect if you're not quite ready to go all in. Dramatic haircuts are back and they're making a serious statement. We're seeing a resurgence of bold styles, daring lengths, and cuts that truly transform your entire look. And it's all about embracing change. Hair is such a personal thing, and changing it up can be incredibly liberating. It's a chance to redefine yourself, express your personality, and step into a new chapter with confidence. Whether you're going for a subtle trim or a complete overhaul, embracing change is the key to unlocking a fresh and exciting version of yourself. The butterfly cut is a top pick right now. This cut is all about creating soft, flowing layers that mimic the delicate wings of a butterfly. It features face-framing layers that add movement and volume, flattering on most hair types and face shapes. The beauty of the butterfly cut lies in its versatility. It can be adapted to suit different hair lengths and textures, making it a universally appealing choice for anyone looking to add some dimension and flair to their hairstyle. For an edgier vibe, try the shullet. This bold and unconventional hairstyle is not for the faint of heart, but it's guaranteed to turn heads and make a statement. The shullet is a shag mullet hybrid with choppy layers and texture. It's a rebellious and effortlessly cool look that combines the best of both worlds. The edgy rock and roll vibe of a mullet with the soft, textured layers of a shag. If you're looking to break free from traditional hairstyles and embrace a more daring and unconventional look, the shullet might just be the perfect choice for you. Feeling bold and ready to make a statement? The ultra-short bob is calling your name. It is sleek, Parisian, and easy to style. This chic and sophisticated hairstyle exudes confidence and elegance, making it a perfect choice for those who want to make a lasting impression. Its clean lines and minimalist aesthetic make it incredibly versatile, allowing you to dress it up for formal occasions or keep it casual for everyday wear. The wolf cut, inspired by trendsetters like Billie Eilish, has taken the world by storm. It is wild, layered, and effortlessly cool. This edgy and unconventional hairstyle is all about embracing your inner wild child and rocking a look that's both rebellious and chic. With its choppy layers, voluminous texture, and carefree vibe, the wolf cut is perfect for those who want to stand out from the crowd and express their unique sense of style. Prefer something a little more timeless and classic? The midi-tailored bob hits the collarbone at just the right spot, offering a flattering and versatile length that works for a variety of face shapes and hair types. It has clean lines and subtle layers for elegance. This sophisticated and polished hairstyle exudes understated glamour, making it a perfect choice for those who want to look effortlessly chic and put together. The clean lines of the midi-tailored bob create a sleek and refined silhouette, while the subtle layers add movement and dimension, preventing the style from looking too flat or lifeless. No matter your choice, whether you opt for a dramatic chop or a subtle trim, it's about expressing yourself and feeling amazing in your own skin. Your hair is an extension of your personality, a canvas for self-expression, and a powerful tool for boosting your confidence. Start the year with a fresh look. A new haircut can be a fantastic way to kick off the year with a renewed sense of confidence and style. Go bold with a daring new style, or keep it classic with a timeless cut, but whatever you do, make it yours. Personalize your hairstyle to reflect your unique personality and preferences, and don't be afraid to experiment with different colors, textures, and accessories to create a look that's truly your own. After all, the best hairstyle is the one that makes you feel confident, comfortable, and authentically you. Sometimes a new color is all you need. It's amazing how a simple change in your hair can completely refresh your look and boost your confidence. Are you feeling stuck in a rut? Or maybe you're just ready for something new and exciting. A fresh hair color can be the perfect way to express yourself and embrace a new chapter. For a total transformation, it's not just about covering grays or following trends. It's about finding a color that truly reflects your personality and makes you feel incredible. Think of it as a blank canvas, ready to be painted with the hues that resonate with your soul. 2025's color trends are about warmth, dimension, and creating a look that's both modern and timeless. We're seeing a shift towards colors that enhance natural beauty and add depth and richness to the hair, and a touch of daring. Don't be afraid to step outside your comfort zone and experiment with colors that you might not have considered before. After all, hair grows back, and it's all about having fun and expressing your unique style. Warm honey, with its golden undertones, is a beautiful choice for adding warmth and radiance to your complexion. It's a universally flattering shade that works well on a variety of skin tones. Caramel, a rich and decadent shade, is perfect for adding depth and dimension to brunette hair. It's a sophisticated and elegant color that exudes warmth and luxury, and muted copper are in. These earthy tones bring a touch of nature to your look, creating a soft and romantic vibe. Copper shades are especially flattering on those with warm undertones in their skin. Think sun-kissed, glowy, and wearable. These are colors that enhance your natural beauty and give you that effortless, I woke up like this vibe. Sunset blends, with their vibrant mix of oranges, pinks, and purples, are perfect for those who want to make a statement. These bold and beautiful colors are sure to turn heads and add a touch of whimsy to your look. And metallics like silver and rose gold are making a splash for those who want to embrace their inner futuristic goddess. These shimmering shades add a touch of glamour and sophistication to any hairstyle, are making waves for the bold. If you're not afraid to stand out from the crowd, these eye-catching colors are the perfect way to express your individuality and make a statement. Brunettes, try multitonal highlights to add depth and dimension to your hair. This technique involves using a variety of shades to create a natural-looking sun-kissed effect for depth and vibrancy. It's a great way to enhance your natural color and add a touch of sophistication to your look. Barbie blonde is still trending. This iconic shade is all about embracing your inner bombshell and having fun with your look. Platinum to golden, there's a perfect blonde shade for everyone. Whether you prefer a cool, icy platinum or a warm, honey-toned blonde, the key is to find a shade that complements your skin tone and enhances your features. It's all about shine. Healthy, glossy hair is always in style, so make sure to use products that will nourish and protect your locks. Healthier, sustainable coloring practices are becoming increasingly important as we become more aware of the impact of our choices on the environment. Is the new standard? So look for salons and products that prioritize eco-friendly ingredients and ethical practices. So experiment and find your power shade. Don't be afraid to try new things and step outside your comfort zone. The perfect hair color is out there waiting for you. Hair color is self-expression. It's a way to show the world who you are and what you're all about. Go natural or bold, the choice is yours. Whether you prefer subtle, natural-looking shades or vibrant statement-making colors, the most important thing is to choose a color that makes you feel confident and beautiful. Just love your look. Embrace your unique style and rock your hair color with confidence. Beyond cuts and color, it's the vibe that brings your look to life. 2025 is about embracing your natural texture and effortless styles. Curly girls, let your curls shine with diffusing and curl-friendly products. Fairy waves and big 90s blowouts are back for that dreamy or supermodel energy. Prefer laid back? Bedhead waves and tousled styles are in. Imperfection is cool. There's no one-size-fits-all. Experiment with tools and products to highlight your hair's personality. Confidence is your best accessory. The most on-trend hair is the kind that makes you feel empowered. Wondering if a trend will suit you? It's all about face shape, texture, and your personal style. Oval faces can rock almost anything. Round faces benefit from layers or side-swept bangs. Unsure of your face shape? Trace your outline in the mirror and compare to classic diagrams. Texture matters. Embrace what you have for easier, more authentic styles. Try virtual hairstyle apps to preview cuts and colors before committing. Consult your stylist. They'll tailor trends to your features and lifestyle. The best style is the one that makes you feel confident. Trends are fun, but authenticity wins. Tiny details can make the biggest impact on your look. Hair accessories, pearl pins, metallic headbands, floral clips instantly refresh your style. Accessories reflect your mood and personality. Mix it up for self-expression. Sustainable hair care is in. Refillable bottles, bamboo brushes, and eco-friendly choices matter. DIY accessories add a personal, creative touch. Layer pins, try unexpected placements, and experiment for a modern twist. It's not about spending big. Find details that make you feel your best. Healthy hair. It's more than just a look, it's a statement. It reflects your overall well-being and adds to your confidence. We all dream of having those luscious locks that turn heads, but achieving that requires dedication and the right approach. Is the foundation of every great style. Think of it as the canvas upon which you create your masterpiece. Whether you prefer sleek and straight, bouncy curls, or intricate braids, healthy hair provides the perfect base. Without it, even the most skilled styling efforts can fall flat. Always use heat protectant with styling tools. This is non-negotiable. Heat from styling tools like straighteners, curling irons, and blow dryers can strip your hair of its natural moisture, leading to dryness, brittleness, and breakage. Heat protectant creates a barrier between your hair and the heat, protects from damage and breakage. Think of it as sunscreen for your hair, shielding it from the harmful effects of high temperatures. Deep conditioning. It's like a spa day for your hair, and nourishing oils revive and hydrate. They penetrate the hair shaft, replenishing lost moisture and restoring elasticity. Look for ingredients like argan oil, coconut oil, and jojoba oil for optimal results. Treat your hair to a weekly mask. This will provide an extra boost of hydration and nourishment, helping to repair damage and prevent future breakage. Regular trims prevent split ends. Split ends not only look unsightly, but they can also travel up the hair shaft, causing further damage, and keep hair looking full. By removing split ends, you're preventing further breakage and maintaining the overall health and appearance of your hair. Upgrade to a silk or satin pillowcase. Cotton pillowcases can cause friction, leading to tangles, frizz, and even breakage. Silk and satin are much smoother, reducing friction and helping to reduce tangles and frizz overnight. You'll wake up with smoother, more manageable hair. Gentle brushing. Start at the ends. This is crucial for preventing breakage, and use a wide-tooth comb for curls. Curls are more prone to breakage, so it's essential to use a gentle detangling method, and avoid brushing wet hair. Wet hair is more fragile and susceptible to damage. Don't overwash. Washing your hair too frequently can strip it of its natural oils, leaving it dry and brittle. Preserve natural oils for strength and shine. These oils are essential for keeping your hair healthy, hydrated, and protected. Build a routine that works for you. Everyone's hair is different, so what works for one person may not work for another. Experiment with different products and techniques to find what suits your hair type and concerns. Healthy hair never goes out of style. It's a timeless asset that enhances your natural beauty and boosts your confidence. So, invest in your hair and it will reward you with years of healthy, beautiful locks. Let's be real. Celebrity hair inspires us all. Zendaya's transformations, Hailey Bieber's modern bob, and Selena Gomez's timeless waves set trends everywhere. Priyanka Chopra's voluminous styles and Gigi Hadid's beachy blonde are salon favorites. These looks influence runways, magazines, and social feeds. Take cues from the stars but adapt them to your vibe. Mix, match, and make it your own. Hair is about self-expression. Let's answer your top hair questions. Nervous about a new cut? Go gradual. Trim a little at a time. For professional styles, a sleek bob is always a win. Add layers or waves for softness. Color maintenance? Use color depositing conditioners to stretch out salon visits. Curly hair? Find a curl specialist stylist and sleep on silk for defined curls. Don't be afraid to experiment. Try temporary changes before committing. Healthy hair takes consistency. Celebrate small wins and enjoy the journey. Inspired by 2025's top hairstyles? Make these trends your own. You're the main character. Embrace what makes you feel confident. Subscribe for weekly tutorials and share your favorite trends in the comments. Let's discover your signature 2025 style together. Thanks for watching. If you love style tips, trends, and beauty content, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more. Stay fabulous and see you in the next video.